My name is Kirsten Rao, and this is my ISTE Standards and SAMR Model research project. ISTE stands for International Society for Technology and Education. The ISTE organization is where educators can share thoughts and resources on innovative technology used in the classroom. As a nonprofit organization, it has more than 100,000 members around the world. Included with membership are 26 professional learning networks where members can find and interact with colleagues with similar interests. Additionally, ISTE provides standards for both teachers and students in order to have clear goals in mind with integrating technology and learning. The ISTE standards for students are designed to empower student voice and ensure that learning is a student-driven process. The first standard is Empowered Leader. This means students not only create their own learning goals, but they utilize technology to meet the goals. The next standard is called Digital Citizen, and it requires students to understand the responsibilities that are entailed when using technology. This includes making safe, legal, ethical choices in order to leave a positive digital footprint. The third standard is Knowledge Constructor, where students use various technological resources in order to create effective learning experiences. The Innovative Designer is a goal for students to come up with creative answers to solve problems using technology. The fifth standard is Computational Thinker. For this, students combine the computational skills where they find solutions with technology. The Creative Communicator Standard is for students to learn to use tools and technology effectively to communicate. The last standard is Global Collaborator, where students add to their knowledge base by using technology to connect with others across the world. The first standard for teachers is to facilitate and inspire student learning and creativity. This basically means that educators will use their knowledge to teach students in both the traditional and digitally advanced methods. The next standard for teachers is to design and develop digitally aged learning experiences and assessments. This means the teachers will actually create lessons and tests that incorporate digital media and technology in a way that helps the students reach their own ISTE standards. Another standard is to model digital age work and learning. This means the teachers should be modeling professional expectations in various ways, including technology skills. The fourth standard for teachers is to promote and model digital citizenship and responsibility, which is similar to the previous standard in that the teacher is being a role model to their students. However, this standard specifically states that teachers must model appropriate use of technology in order to help students do the same. The last standard for teachers is to engage in professional growth and leadership. The purpose of this standard is to help teachers continuously grow their knowledge, showing and helping their students to grow their knowledge as well. SAMR is a model for teachers to follow to incorporate technology in their classroom. Teachers can follow the 4 levels: substitution, augmentation, modification, and redefinition to use technology to enhance lessons. The SAMR model was developed by Dr. Ruben Putedura a little over 5 years ago. He created this model in hopes of helping teachers to bring technology into the classroom. The S stands for substitution, where tech acts as a direct tool of substitution with no functional change. An example of substitution would be making flashcards on Quizlet instead of note cards. The A stands for augmentation, where tech acts as a direct tool of substitution with functional improvement. An example of augmentation would be the students using the game options and other testing features on Quizlet when studying their flashcards. Modification, where tech allows for significant task redesign. An example of modification would be after a student is done writing an essay, they upload it to a blog, allowing for their classmates to comment and learn from each other's work. The R stands for redefinition, where tech allows for the creation of new tasks previously inconceivable. An example of this would be this presentation, given that I was able to record myself going through these slides, doing something that would not be possible without technology. The ISTE standards and SAMR model both create methods of putting technology into the classroom. These methods give guidelines to teachers on creating lessons plans that incorporate technology into a given activity. I look forward to using both of these in my own classroom one day. I want to be able to give students the knowledge on how to use technology for difficult tasks. I would use the ISTE standards to do this because I believe that ISTE prepares students for life after school in this modern age. I would also use the SAMR model to help me effectively incorporate technology into my lesson plans. Both SAMR and ISTE offer so much to educators, allowing teachers to do more with their students, furthering their education.